In this video, I'm going to be making a tag. I'm going to use up some of the scraps I had from cutting up the signatures to the bird journal. And it's going to be basically today, and there'll be 3 videos this week showing 3 different tags that I will make. And so it'll be the week of tags for the bird journal. So let's get started. Welcome to Nixies Notebooks. I'm your host, and today we are going to make a fun little tag out of this piece of paper that is kind of scrap paper from, sorry, that's glue. That's all it is glue on my hands. Make a little piece of ephemera using this. We'll make a little tag. And yeah, we already did 1 tag, and we did a flip up with some of the scrap paper that was left over. So here we go. Just going to square off the edges, make sure that everything is actually square. I don't know if you can even see me doing it. I'm sorry, I'm not even doing it on camera. I apologize for that. I was not even doing it on camera. There we go. No. There we go. Just want a little bit off. I just want to make sure it's even because it doesn't, I don't know, when I look at it, it doesn't look all that even, but apparently it is even. There we go. All right. Now the kitty's sitting next to me in a box. She's very happy. Gave her own little box to sit in. I was thinking I could use this as like the opener. What am I going to do with this? I'm not really sure. So we're just going to play it by ear. Just kind of see how it unveils, how it unravels. Maybe we do some little journaling out here. We do a little bit, maybe a little collaging out here, a little collaging here, and then maybe I have a writing space in here. That actually, I really like that idea. Now the question is, do I want it to be, okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cover this and this. I'll probably do some sewing so it'll kind of adhere it better, so we will work on that next. Okay. Using crafting glue, the craft bond. I haven't found problems. I used to use the extra strength and I used to never have any problems. I'm starting to have some problems with it. I'm not liking the way it's gluing. Back would be a better word for it, I guess. It just doesn't feel like it's gluing right, maybe? I don't know. The reason why I'm going to use this paper on the other side is because I like the lighter color. Give it a nice space to write on. I'm probably going to sew up the edges as well, so that way we have no issues with paper coming undone. And I'm going to put this under some books, so we will come back to this one. Sewing around the edges here. My sewing machine's a little wonky. I have to take it in and have it checked, but we'll do that. So I'm going to leave this as like a little writing space. I do have some cute little bird stamps. I'll stamp one of them there. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Let me see, I'm just trying to think. I pulled a bunch of stuff aside and then, you know, as usual, I kind of misplaced some of it. So, no, Nix, I don't think this is a good time for you to walk across the thing. No one wants to see you. Hey, no, don't do that. Come on. Come on, over. Hey, get in the box. Nope, keep walking. Keep walking. Get in your box. Good girl. Sorry about that. Alright, let's see what we got here. A little hummingbird. I don't know if I really want to do that though. It takes up a lot of space there. Do that one right there maybe? I don't know. I'll have to think on that one. So I am back. Has some nice little cute stickers with some birds on them, so I don't know. I don't think these are really going to work. I thought this was smaller. I thought I'd be able to put that there. Does not look like it. Oh, that little circle one right there. And put maybe a little saying up there. I like that idea. So, okay. So my thought is, this is just my thought. So I'm going to take this piece and pull it out a little bit. It's going to be right on the edge. This one right here. And fold it over. Kind of make it like a little interactive tag, a little interactive place where, you know, you can, the person can write. Kind of keep that on the inside there. If I could do this more. Just trying to see how close to the edge I could get it. Probably get it pretty close. We have like a little tag. Maybe put something on the back here. Alright, I like that idea. I am liking it. Okay, let's cut this. Alright, so I cut it way too much. That's okay though. I'm gonna leave a little bit sticking out, I think. Okay, cut that right, glue that down right there so you have a nice little kind of edge. Maybe I'll do something along that edge too. And then I can use these as tags in the journal itself, so that will work out perfectly. Okay. I'll leave this stuff. Just trying to think. Oh, I just don't know what to do with the back of this. Kind of like thinking like, what should I do in the back of it? I should probably do that first before I sew that on. And tie these up here. This is going to be kind of a simple one. Just something you can do with some of the leftover paper. Like I said, this was a longer sheet. It was like really like long and wide, and I cut it so it'd fit in the journal. And it's kind of like a short piece inside the journal pockets, which you'll probably see later. Inside the journal signatures, I should say, not the pockets. But we will need some fun little things to go into this journal. I have a lot of pockets planned for it. So we will want to do that. And I figured this would be kind of just different, just something a little bit different. I didn't really have much of a plan before I started this, so yeah. Like I said, the next couple of videos, well, I didn't really plan those tags either. I just kind of made them. So you will be seeing those as well. And the reason why I'm doing it out of order is because all my introductions, I don't tell you like that these are going to be like several days of tags. It's not going to be a full week of tags. It's just going to be a couple of days of tags for the bird journal. And we'll get kind of started on our ephemera. I might even do a, you know, maybe after this I will do a, what do you call that, where you put a bunch of pieces together. Oh my gosh, my English today. A bundle, or a bunch of pieces of paper together. Bundle, not a bundle. And I bet you everyone's probably like saying it, and a cluster. There we go, a cluster. That aptly describes it, I'm sure. Okay, so I'm gonna do, oh, no, we're gonna do the back of this first. What are we gonna do back here? So, just kind of thinking as to what we want to do. Per my usual, I forgot to turn on my microphone again after I came back from eating dinner. I'm sure you heard my husband making it in the background. Basically, I just took a sticker, fabric tacked it down, just to make sure it stayed, and that's where we are. How about just the word grace? on this side too. Let's corner this. Where's the corner? There we go. We're just going to ink this up a little bit. We'll put that just like that. Got a nice little, it's not too crazy, it's not really collage, it's just a little bit of pretty stuff on that page. Should stick. Okay. I'll use a little bit under here just to make sure it does. There we go. Hold that down. Cap the glue, that's out of control. There we go. Something easy, something simple, nothing crazy. All right, and now we are going to put on, I'll just put on the ribbon if I still can find the piece that I had. Is this the piece? Yes. I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do it really, I'm gonna try to do it an easy way by doing this first. Just kind of go right down the edge. I really want this right on the edge. I don't really want it off the, too much. I'm gonna do that. You're gonna get stuck in the glue. Let's do that. What I'm going to do now is I am going to very carefully, yeah, that's right, yep, okay. I'm going to do the other same on this side, just a little bit. Then we're just going to fold this over just like this. All right, and then that will go basically like that. So I'll have a nice little thing. I'm going to cut those a little bit down a little bit further. Let's put one of these little stickers in here. I like that little. There we go. This kind of matches the outside on this side, you know, the grace. Okay, so make sure it gets stuck down. It will be. All right, now I'm gonna sew it. What's wrong with my fingers? I always have a hard time tying the thread. Like I can't. I mean, I'm ambidextrous. I mean, I can move my fingers fine. I just don't know why. Like grasping like this because it's so thin just doesn't seem to want to work for me. Don't know why. Okay. So, all right, we've got this. We have a nice little, let's cut these edges off here. There we go. Let me do it. Well, let me cut it a little bit more because it's kind of crooked a little bit. There we go. Let's make it easier. There we go. Yeah, let's make some place to write. You got this on the back, but I want to do something more. I don't know why. All right, we're gonna try something a little different. I'm gonna just sew some patches onto this green strip to kind of spruce it up just a little bit. I know it's very simple, but I think I'm done with this right now. I think this is done. I may come back afterwards and like if I have some extra embellishments or I find something that I might want to put on here, I'll do it later. I'm always changing stuff. It's not bad. You can always change stuff later. And yeah, that got tangled up. I knew that did. That's all right. It gives a character. So. I'm really having a hard time with the string. I don't know what my problem is. Okay. All right, there we go. All right. All right, so this is the final product. I will show you, actually no, not quite the final product. I think, right there maybe? I was thinking like Forgotten Memories. I kind of like that. I like that. I'll put a little bit of this on here just to make sure it stays in place and doesn't go anywhere we don't want it to go. This thing's so gross. All right. No, don't stick in there. There we go. I like that. I think that's going to work out well. I got glue all over my fingers, but I really like the way that is. Yeah, that's perfect. All right. It's a little secret place to put some Forgotten Memories in here. So that works out really well. So let's take a look at what we did. It's not one of my more thrilling videos. It's really simple, but it's okay. So here we go. All right. Okay, so here's the front. It's folded. Got this little piece there. Forgotten Memories, good place to write. And then we got some stuff on the back, just kind of spruce up the back a little bit. I think I like the way that looks. It's very simple, very plain, but it's another little piece to go in there. It's a little bit interactive because you have to open it up. I like that. Yeah, I think this is going to work out really well. I didn't ink the edges, did I? Oh, I did not. I'm not gonna. I think I'm going to leave it. Yep, I think I'm going to leave it. We can have some stuff not inked. I do like the idea of maybe getting some sewing and kind of like do a little bit of patching type. So maybe I'll do something like that in the next video. All right. Well, it won't be in the next video. It will be... It will not be in the next video because I have 2 more tag videos. I then have a flip up video. I'm going to get those all out. The 3 tag videos will be this week, and then the flip up video will be Tuesday of next week, and we'll go from there. All right. See you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.